Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the app icon size on iPhone and provide full guide. So as you can see, just check out my app icon size. So at first open your settings, scroll down, showing it to display and brightness. Okay, showing it to display zoom, and I'm just select to large text and right mark, use zoomed. Okay, as you can see, now my all icon text is bigger. Okay, and set default to right mark. Now it's set up to normal. Okay, when you select this, text is bigger. Or if you want to increase text size, to increase text size, or if you want to increase icon size, long press, edit to customize. So as you can see, showing it to this icon. When I'm press on, now it's showing it to my all apps is bigger and smaller and bigger. Okay, or if you want to large any apps, specific apps, so like select and this, now it's make it bigger. Okay, now it's bigger. Okay, or if you want to get normal, get back default. So that's it, that's how you can do it.